Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete your Waze account in 2026. If you no longer want to use Waze and want to permanently remove your account, here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, look for the Account and Login section. Open it, then find the option to delete your account. Tap Delete Account and carefully review the information Waze provides. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the deletion. Waze may ask you to verify your identity or enter your account information before completing the process. Remember that deleting your Waze account is different from simply uninstalling the app. Removing the app from your phone does not automatically delete your account. Once the deletion is confirmed, your Waze account and associated information may no longer be available, depending on Waze current on-account deletion policies. And that's how to delete your Waze account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.